video, I'll be talking about how my opening sequence, The Hangover, uses and challenges dramatic conventions and also how it represents different social groups and ideas in a realistic way. So, first of all, my film clearly follows a typical comedy drama convention. For example, the use of malt bottles to show them as a beer is something we often connect with a drunk dial and humorful conversations. This instantly creates laughter and makes the audience feel the humor in the conversations. It's simple but very effective in setting the mood right from the start. When choosing the setting, I went with an terrace and making it look like a party setup at night. And honestly, this kind of vibe attracts the teenage audience and they can also feel relatable. During my research, I noticed that this kind of comedic genre in which drunk dial has been shown works best in this type of setting. So this setting clearly helped me in my film to show the drunken guys to the audience. In The Hangover, the idea of releasing two teenagers living in the same flat is a common convention, but not a very common used in comedy drama genre. It shows that while drunken, how one call can suddenly give you a lot of tension. This built laughter and suspense because the audience can't fully understand what is happening, and that keeps them engaged and slightly interested. Moving on to the storyline, I didn't start with a party scene straight away. Instead, I began it in a calm and controlled atmosphere, then slowly add the humor in the dialogues, which changed the game for me. This was inspired by a film Dead Man on Campus. The slow build-up helps the audience to realize that something very big will be delivered in the film over the time, which makes their experience more good and their interest starts to build up. Now let's talk about the sound and lighting of the film. I used a simple joyful background beat and little suspense background sound to create an humorful and suspenseful atmosphere. The sound designing is not that much important in this genre, but we can't just ignore it as it can change the game. I use brightful lighting to enhance the visibility so that the audience can see the character and can listen the dialogues more clearly and can enjoy the humor, and that's the moment where your dialogue delivery can change the game for you. I also added the disco lighting and the sound so that the audience can enjoy more. This makes certain scenes more impactful and enjoyable while keeping the audience engaged into the opening sequence. Talking about character, I choose young and college-going actors to make the scene realistic. That's why I choose myself as a character and my other college friends to keep the opening sequence better. It makes easier for the audience, especially teenagers, to relate themselves in the situation, as Shahir is shown as a spoiled brat, which is a very realistic way to show the character. Or you can say Talal, which is an introvert and a scholar student. Instead of exaggerating the characters, I kept them natural so the audience can more relate to them. Moving forward to the social representation, I showed young people as energetic and curious. They are more likely to take risks even when something is not for them, like beer and other addictive products. For example, Shahid drinking the beer and forcing Talal to drink it triggers the main plot of the film. At first, Talal and Shahid were in the charge, but once the drunk dial happened, it backfired them, and the power shifts towards Talal's father. This moment changed everything and it helped the audience to feel the plot twist of the film. Overall, I followed conventions but slightly challenged them where needed, so the film still feels balanced and interesting. To conclude, The Hangover uses many recognizable comedic and dramatic techniques like fast-paced, brightful lighting and relaxed background beats. By combining all the elements, I aim to create a funny and suspenseful experience that keeps the audience thinking after it ends. It's all for now. Thanks for watching. This is your director and producer Murtaza Ali. See you soon.